Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account linked to your channel because changes apply to that account. Once signed in, open Studio. YouTube. Calm and go directly to Settings, then Channel. Make sure two-factor authentication or a verified phone is available in case YouTube asks to confirm identity. This prevents interruptions. Now, you're ready to access location-related fields. Proceed without delay to the basic info and advanced settings where country entries live. Once in channel settings, move to advanced settings or basic info depending on your interface. YouTube moves this occasionally. Locate the country/region field and click the drop-down or edit icon. You can clear or change the selection there. If the interface doesn't offer a blank option, select a neutral country and save, then reopen to attempt clearing again. Make sure you have channel owner rights. If you're a manager, you may need the primary owner to make the change. After editing, click Save and wait for the confirmation banner so YouTube registers the update. Don't navigate away immediately. Then verify the change by viewing your channel and checking analytics filters that use country data. If the change didn't stick, clear your browser cache and cookies, try an incognito window or a different browser, and then repeat the edit while signed in as the channel owner. If problems persist, contact YouTube support through the Help menu for account.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.